What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out of Zeeburg in Amsterdam. Got to return the push bike. I'm going to mooch around Amsterdam for a bit, and I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride. So remember, keep on hitting that like, hitting that subscribe button, and yeah, I'm going to get a wet ass biking to Amsterdam, which is going to take me 20 minutes. God. And yeah, we need to return the push bike. It's going to start raining. I've checked the weather maps. It's like it's just been raining here for 3 days. But yeah, we've got the broccoli on the go, and I'll bring you guys along for the ride. One of the last broccolis outside camp in Zeeburg. Get it back. If you've got your broccoli merch yet, well, it's over in the store right there. Still out here biking, you know how we do, pulling up to a red light though. Red light on your push bike? What are you saying? Get back, Shepherd. Get back. Get back. Gonna fall off. Gonna fall off. Just stop playing silly buggers. Yeah, buddy. Returning the bike?
Yeah, you got.
All good?
There is an extra day to pay. You had for 2 days. Yeah, it means.
I told him I was returning Wednesday. Tried to charge me for an extra day there, didn't he? He was like, you had it for an extra day? Well, I said to the mate, he would fucking. It'll be on Wednesday, I'll return it. So. It is what it is, isn't it? But yeah, we're now heading to a coffee, finish up the rest of my broccoli. Might get a little bit more, I don't know, still got like, what is the time? Do a time check. 10, 11, 12, I've literally got a solid 2 hours, 2.5 hours here. So yeah, got to make the most of it while you're here, haven't we? So yeah, we're down by the back of Central, there's the trains up there. We're now walking down here. One of the things I like doing when I come to Amsterdam is getting myself an AA drink and a croissant. Ooh la la. Even better than a croissant is a freshly put cinnamon roll there. I just see a lady putting them in. Yeah, but let's get to it. We'll go with that one. Yeah.
And then snacks.
Snacks. That one, yeah. Thank you.
Not allowed to film inside.
Oh, sorry. Well, that was the first. I got told off for filming in Albert Heijn. So yeah, apparently you're not allowed to film in Albert Heijn. So yeah, I got myself 2 cinnamon rolls, an AA drink. So yeah. That was coffee shop green place over there. Literally just been chilling in there for a little bit, but now going back round to coffee shop Amsterdam just to chill out again. It's just too big a volume to brew. And that was coffee shop Amsterdam. I've literally just sat in there for a couple of hours, or since the last bit. The time is probably around about 12:30, I believe. Got the last broccoli on the go, and we also do have the world's smallest sliver of cake. Yeah, we're going to smash the broccoli down. We're going to smash that cake down. And we're in a rainy Amsterdam again. Broccoli's getting wet, I mean. I'm just going to bring you guys along, and I'll show you inside of Amsterdam Central, because I've never got the international train to St Pancras either, so might as well show you what's happening as well. Oosh. Right, I've just got through security, all sweet. Yeah, ready to go. But yeah, that place right now to get a coffee, and the train leaves in 40 minutes, so sweet. Bush. I've got these people around them. This is departures at the Eurostar. Just waiting for it to be called out. I assume we get down there. But yeah. They sent us all up here, and there's no train. We're just carrying walking, just following the crowd. What are we saying? Yes, the people, what is good? This is us pulling out of Amsterdam Central all the way back to London St Pancras. The return journey for this cost me £195. If you've liked the content, don't forget to smash that like, smash that subscribe button to bits. We're coming for that 10k, people, and just like that, we pull into London St Pancras. We'll see you on the next one.